Hello, this is Marlene with WTI. Now, this next product is actually very dear to me because I'm not a plumber, but I love that I was able to install this very easy. This is actually a single drain kit from Clog. So the main reason why I needed this kit was because I actually wanted to connect my washer drain to my kitchen drain, and this kit actually allowed me and helped me to do that. So that was really cool. It brings instructions, so it was very easy for me to go ahead and put everything wherever I needed, and it brought every single piece that I will need. So that was awesome. So again, if you are looking for a single drain or a single sink drain for your kitchen, for your RV, for anything that you may need a drain, I would definitely recommend this one from Clog. But hey, that is just my point of view.